What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Today is a special one because we got a package from one of our friends, Armory Craft. They shipped it out to us. Another thing that they did is they gave us some goodies. So this is a raw unboxing. This has not been opened up yet. So let's dive deep in and get into, what we got. Okay, so right out the box, got a couple stickers, which is cool. So shout out to Armory Craft, man. They hooked it up. And okay, so it looks like we got a lower frame, which is pretty cool. It's pretty damn cool actually. So right out the box, new frame in the gray, and damn, a whole nother trigger. So I mean, this is probably one of the dopest triggers I've seen. Flat faced. Pretty nice grip. I mean, I think we're gonna put it in and see what happens. So let's wait on that and see what we do. Alright, YouTube, so after 15 minutes of putting back the trigger and everything, I gotta say I'm beyond impressed. Grip feels really nice. I mean, it really feels snug. Yeah, so Armory Craft, thank you. Huge appreciation to them. They really took care of us on this one. The gray actually is a lot dimmer than what I expected, but it's gray. So it is pretty dope. Again, Armory Craft is straight out of Florida. Best bang for the buck, honestly. And yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. We got videos coming out every single week. Peace.